Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Narfex Competition Airdrop. This is another airdrop video but a little different in terms of how you can participate on this airdrop. Like always in my videos we are going to check a little bit about the Narfex project, what is Narfex and what are the benefits of this project, and how to participate on this competition airdrop. And I will give you my reasons why I think we have great opportunities to get these tokens. And actually this is an ongoing project with a token already in the market, a proven and really working project, and actually I found some information about the team too. So everything is legit here and ready for you to participate on this competition airdrop for Narfex. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well today's video is a little different for this kind of airdrop. This is a competition airdrop opportunity, but you are going to see how I think that we have really good chances if we enter into this competition airdrop on how to get those tokens. So before starting to the step-by-step, let's go and check a little bit about Narfex. Narfex is the world's first decentralized peer-to-peer fiat to cryptocurrency protocol built on smart contracts. And I really like this because, of course, you can buy crypto on CX exchanges, but we know all the risks that we have there. This is a decentralized way to buy crypto with fiat in a peer-to-peer way. And Narfex Protocol enables users to make secure and efficient trades on various digital assets without the need for decentralized intermediaries. Narfex addresses the problem of trust, transparency, and security that plagues traditional peer-to-peer exchanges. By using smart contracts, it ensures that the terms of the trade are automatically executed when both parties have fulfilled their obligation, eliminating the need for trust in the third party. There are some competitive advantages of the Narfex protocol, and some of them are the ability to buy and sell any crypto or NFT with fiat, trustless exchange process, no registration needs, so you just connect with your wallet, and an easy fiat to fiat swap. Also, they have an integrated DX. The website is narfex.com. You can find more information about the project here, the exchanger, other products that they have, like I mentioned, the DX, the liquidity, farming opportunities here for the fiat liquidity mining, earning commissions on the exchange transaction, and you also have here the roadmap of the project. Talking a little bit about the NRFX token, you can see that it's already listed here on CoinGecko, 35 cents each token. The max supply is 20 million, so you can see that this is less than the Bitcoin max supply, so really low amount of tokens. And if you go to the history of the chart, you can see that this token in June 2022, actually one of the worst moments from this bear market that we are experiencing. The token was launched and then we have seen the price of $1.21. Some of my theories regarding price actions on the different cycles is that if a project is built correctly and is strong, they easily can come back to the last all-time high on the previous bear market or bull run. So going back to $1.20 is not out of the question for this project and this token, and the token is behind all the utility and all the products that Narfex has. And like I mentioned, Narfex token is part of this big ecosystem that brings utility, governance, and multi-chain. And in terms of token economics, you can see that 50% is burning. So from the rest 50%, this 100% is a 10% initial liquidity, 10% for the team rewards, 10% is a private sale, 65% ecosystem growth. So that could be considered this competitive airdrop that we are going to see. And 5% is community incentives for the DAO. So now that you understand a little bit more about Narfex, the protocol, benefits and all that, let's going to start with the Narfex competition airdrop that is already started, and we are going to do the step-by-step on that. So first of all, you are going to be able to follow them on Twitter and in Discord. So the links are here on the step-by-step. Like always, you are going to find a post on the description to my website, and there you are going to see all this information and the step-by-step with all these links that you are seeing right now, in order to go directly to all the parts of this airdrop. So follow them on Twitter, Narfex Global. You can go there. This is the official Twitter account. And also you have the link for the Discord. After you do that, the step 3 is you go and connect to the Narfex app with your MetaMask wallet or your other wallet available for this. You have here my referral link if you want to use it and support the channel. If not, you go to the website and you just click on launch app. You connect your wallet. And in this case, you connect your wallet and you're going to see all the different parts of this dashboard after you are connected here on the application of Narfex. The step 4 is you need to go to the Crew3 and you need to start completing the quest. This time it's different than in many other airdrops that we really don't know if the Crew3 tasks are going to help us or not. In this case, it's part of this competition. So doing those Crew3 tasks is what you need to do in order to be eligible for this airdrop distribution. So go here to the link. You know that Crew3 now is called silly.io. So this is the official link. Click there. You're going to be sent to the Crew3 of Narfex. And here you need to complete the first quest. So here you have the first instructions. So read everything. The event is from the 27th of March until the April 14. So you still have 10 days in order to complete all this. The total amount of tokens on this distribution is 200 NRFX tokens. So you can see this is the actual value that CoinGecko has. So we are talking about $100,000, a little less at these prices. But remember that we have ones in $1.20. And to start doing this, you are going to need to farm. And for that, you create an NRFX and USDC liquidity pool on the Polygon Mumbai test network. And second, you can attach a screenshot of your participation in the farming of Polygon Mumbai. So start checking this. Once you understand everything on the rules, click on yes and click on claim. Of course, you need to be connected here and click here to link your Discord account. After that, you are going to be done with the step here 1 for the instructions. And you are going to be able to start farming and do the different steps to move forward on the Crew3 task that you have here. So now we go to step 5, which is for those farming that's in Polygon Mumbai. Mumbai is a network for testing for Polygon. So the Polygon testnet network is called Mumbai. So you go to chainlist.org. In that link, you can see that I have already clicked here include testnet and you have Mumbai. So click on add to MetaMask. Approve the connection here and move into Mumbai, and that's it. You can see that I am here on Mumbai network. And step 6 for this is that you need to get some Polygon Mumbai Faucet tokens. Here are 2 links, the mumbai-faucet.com or the link for Faucet Polygon.technology. You can go here, you log into Alchemy, put your wallet, click on send me some Matic, and you are going to receive some Matic. You can see that I did this 16 minutes ago in order to get some Faucet tokens to pay the transaction gas fees. So this is Faucet Matic, doesn't have value in the market, it's only for the testnet. Doing that, you are already set to start moving into the different instructions that you have on each of the steps. And in the application here, you can see that I am connecting to the testnet of Polygon. You also have the mainnets here to connect, but this is in the testnet, so you are actually not spending money on this. And the step 7, guys, is that you need to check on the Discord channel for the competition on the airdrop rules. So click that link and read everything so you are aware of all the steps and all the rules here. And guys, I think this is a great airdrop opportunity. First, because it's really under the radar and the project is actually really interesting. But I don't think that there are many competitors right now doing this airdrop. So I think that is why this is a great opportunity to start to the Narfex competition campaign. And you can go here into the Crew3 on the leaderboard and you can see that even if the top addresses has 6,500 experience points, you can see that there are not many with major amounts of experience points here. So we are still early, even if this started on the 29th of March. You really can start doing this and you still have 10 days until the competition ends. So you really can go to the leaderboard and get into the top positions. So guys, that is all for this Narfex competition airdrop. From my perspective, it's really interesting. I am already competing with one of my main wallets here, because even if it's not a massive project like Zksync now and it's not hyped like that, I really think that I have a very good chances to enter into this and be one of the winners of this distribution. And if I think of those tokens at the $1 price, which is 35 right now, I really think that I can make some money from this. Guys, that is all for this Narfex Protocol competition airdrop. And lastly, I want to say that if you are in my Discord, in my private Discord subscription, This is one of the projects that I will allow that we share our referral links, mainly here to the Crew3, that I will pump something on your leaderboard here. So if you invite some friends, you can get more of this quest done. So we are going to help each other on the Discord channel, starting when this video is published, in order to complete and get into the leaderboard of this airdrop competition. And again, I like this because it's really concrete. I know what I need to do. I am not really speculating too much on this. Only need to accomplish all these tasks in the testnet there on Polygon, and I'm going to be able to have distribution of this airdrop. So for me, it's crystal clear. Let's go and do this airdrop. Follow me in my Discord, in my subscription page. Here you are going to be able to read and understand what my 2 subscriptions are going to help you. You have my Discord subscription, where we are going to share our referral links and help each other there on this airdrop competition. You also can subscribe to my application. My application will help you to register and apply to different airdrops. This has a very big value and will help you to use multiple wallets if you want, or manage more than 100 airdrops in one wallet. My app is going to help you to manage thousands of airdrops in a very easy way. And I have big news in April for an update that I'm going to do in my app. So it's going to really help you to move into the next level on this airdrop hunter path. So guys, subscribe to the Discord, subscribe to the app. It's really cheap. You can try it for 1 month and you are going to see the value that we have there. That will be all, guys, for this Narfex competition airdrop. And before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.